Macaw parrots, with their vibrant plumage and engaging personalities, captivate both scientists and enthusiasts alike. These majestic birds, native to the rainforests of Central and South America, exhibit remarkable intelligence and social behavior. Their striking appearance, characterized by bold colors and long tails, makes them icons of tropical beauty. However, habitat loss and illegal pet trade threaten their existence in the wild. Conservation efforts are crucial to safeguarding these magnificent creatures and preserving the ecological balance of their native habitats.